So this right here is acorn squash. Then we have some this is callaloo with got some tomatoes and okra, and I'm gonna steam that down. But these right here I'm gonna fry them. So stove is ready, so let's get the pot on there. And the oil I'm using is grapeseed oil. And on the other stove over here, when that comes up, this pot will be getting, you guessed it, this right here. The callaloo will be steaming there. So once this oil is hot, we're gonna turn the stove down. Once this stove is hot, then ready to go.
Abula bread in my belly. Abula bread in my tummy. Abula bread in my belly.
So when they're ready, when they're brown enough, how you like them, I'm just transferring some of them. Well, not some of them, transferring the ones that's ready. Transferring them to the air fryer. I just put them here to get a little brown, and then the air fryer will do the rest. No, the squash. Remember that was right there. It tastes like breadfruit. Yeah, man. It's a lot. Yeah. It's a lot of them. And this is just half of it. Half of it's still in the fridge. So another time. All I want to know our coach and start carry them in. Frick that. Yep.
Coach and TV coming.
Yes. Yeah.
Look like she gave me a damn surround sound.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Speakers and all that shit.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yep. Damn. Easily. Yep. Yes, sir.
Cable bill.
Foolishness. We got flex. Got everything on there. There it is, last of it. See how this is doing? Just turn the stove down so it doesn't boil over. Add in a little seasoning. Homemade seasoning right here. We got tarragon, thyme, all that stuff in there. What else? Cayenne pepper. Dillweed. Add in a little bit. And stir it on in. And we'll just add one more touch to it, just a little bit of sea salt, that's it. Just a little bit. So we go here and get the sea salt. And we'll just add a little bit. 1, 2, 3, there you go. Too easy, right? Done. Put that back. Those back, good to go. Stir again. Just let that simmer down. Just like that. When it gets way down, then we'll cover it up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so back here with this, these are brown. Let's get them in here. Flip this one over, let it get brown a little bit more. This one also, there you go. This too. Add a little bit more oil. See, just a little bit. And then work it around in the pan. So here it goes, all of them are browned up, so time to just give them about 5 minutes in the air fryer. That's it, give them 5 minutes and they'll be good to go. And you see this is simmering nicely. Got some ginger tea to go with it. So see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, comment below. If you tried this out before, let me know how it turned out. See y'all in the next one.
Made it, oh made it, made it.